Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. We're going to take a quick look at a device that was sent out to me to review. Now, this is a power bank. This is a 15-watt power bank up to 10,000 milliamp hours, which is super cool. Now, this has a built-in USB plug as well. It is MagSafe. So for my iPhone users out there, this is a win. So let's quickly take a look at what comes in the box and see how well it works with some of my devices that I have here in the studio. All right, so in the box, as you guys can see here, it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's going to be for charging this device because this already has a cable built into it. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. All right, so here is our charging block. There we go. You guys can see there's our MagSafe right here. And we have the USB plug right here that you can just pull out to plug into whatever device you want to be able to charge. Here's your power button here on the side. So let's just press that little power button, and that's going to give us our indicator right here as to how much battery we have on here. So again, that's this little button right here. Just press that, and that's going to show us, like in this case, it is 78% power. All right, so here's an iPhone. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can just connect this using MagSafe, and you guys can see instantly right here it's starting to charge. There we go. Using MagSafe, this feels like it's very secure on the phone. I don't have any fear of this popping off. These magnets are, wow, my goodness. These magnets are super strong, guys. I mean, this is not going anywhere. Now, let's say you have a device like, some of our other devices that are USB-C. So let's just plug in our USB-C and see what happens here. Okay, instantly it's starting to charge as well. Hopefully you guys can see that little indicator right there letting us know that it is charging. So let's test it with something that MagSafe would not usually be applicable to. So this is an iPad Pro here. Let me get this guy set up for you. All right, so here's my iPad Pro. You guys know it's USB-C on these guys. So of course I could just plug this in. Hopefully it's going to be able to charge it as well. And yes, it did automatically start to charge the iPad. And in this situation, I could just tuck this guy in like this, and it could be charging this iPad while I'm using it out in the go. So that's a really good option as well. In a nutshell, guys, regardless if you're going to be charging something like an iPhone, an Android device, whatever the case it may be. Now, I am curious how this would work with other devices. So we're going to unplug this really quickly here and see if we can get this to power something else. All right, guys, so here's one of my little running gun webcams. You guys can see here we have a USB-C back here for connecting this to your devices. What I'm concerned about or curious about is would this charge this little camera out in the field? So I just plugged in the USB-C here, and as you guys can see, it has started charging it. There's a little charge indicator right here. So yes, I don't know how fast it would actually be able to charge this device, but it can definitely provide power to it. 10,000 milliamp, guys, that's going to be great for a variety of different gadgets to be able to use with this little MagSafe battery. And of course, you can charge things and have this still connected to your phone at the same time. So I could still have that charging my phone, plug this also into my camera, and you guys can see right now it is, let me show you here, it is charging the camera. No problem there, but it is not charging both of them at the same time, but that's not a big concern, guys. I'm just thinking about how fast I could be able to switch between different devices if I needed to, using this battery to be able to charge a variety of different things. Very compact. You can easily put that away. Now, you do have an additional USB connector right here, and that's what the other little USB cable is for charging this device. So if you are looking for a portable power solution that you can fit in your backpack, this is going to be great for hiking, camping. It's going to be great for your everyday, inner city adventures and things like that. To be able to repower your cameras, your tablets, your phones, this is a win, guys. All right, guys, it's been your buddy with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.